Welcome to this video, where we'll guide you through the process of adding highlights to your Instagram without them appearing in your story. Now let's jump right into the steps. To get started, head over to the upper right corner of your Instagram app and tap on the 3 horizontal bars icon. This will open a menu with various options. Locate and select Settings. Within the Settings menu, you'll find the Privacy section, and then proceed to the Interactions category. In this section, you'll find the option labeled Story. Before we delve into the steps, let me give you a quick overview. We'll be temporarily hiding our story from our followers. After a span of 24 hours, we can easily revert this setting, allowing our followers to see our stories once again without overwhelming them with additional highlights. Most importantly, your existing highlights will remain unaffected throughout this process. Now let's proceed with the detailed steps. To initiate the process, scroll down the list of followers and tap the checkbox next to the names of those you wish to hide your story from. If you have a substantial follower count, this might take a bit of time, but remember, you don't have to apply this to every follower. Once you've selected the desired profiles, congratulations! You've successfully hidden your story from the selected followers. This means you can now post a story without it being visible to anyone. For instance, let's quickly capture a photo and add it to our story. Even though the story is now on our profile, no one has access to view it due to the restricted settings. Allow the upload to complete. Once it's done, you have the option to either add the story to an existing highlight by tapping the lower right corner, or even create a new highlight directly from your profile. Keep in mind that it's essential not to delete the story before the 24-hour mark. If you do, it will also disappear from your highlights. Once the designated time has passed, return to your settings, navigate to the Privacy section, and select Story. Now, you can effortlessly remove all the profiles from the Hide Story From list. As a result, your stories will once again be visible to your followers as usual, and your highlights will remain untouched. This method allows you to maintain a balanced story update frequency for your followers, without compromising the accessibility of your highlights. If you found this video helpful, please consider giving it a thumbs up. And if you're new here, make sure to subscribe for more useful content and hit the bell icon to follow our work.